Yo guys, what's up? It's Big Fly Morgan here. This is my first talking video. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the bike check, you know. So on my SC I got standard V brakes. Gonna get discs on it with some adapter. Hook onto there. Gonna get a new back wheel because I buckled this one. Yeah, you see down there, buckled. Don't even run straight no more. Need to get new headset bearings. Don't know if you can see that. It's broken and don't sound too good. Still got front brake. Don't work though. Never really has. Got my stem on backwards. See, this bike, when I first got it, came with back tyre, same tyre on the front. Changed this tyre. Used to be like that one at the back. Yeah, got some spoke skins. Come off Amazon. I don't know why I got racing in the tube for some reason. But the front one, I got a Rocket from Halfords. Link in description. Reflective there. Got a new stem. Got the gnarliest stem by SC bikes. Check them out on the website. But yeah, my thing bar, what the fuck, I'll remember it in a sec. That started squeaking after a bit, so gotta get that changed. But yeah, the bike sounds nice. I bought it from Wheelies Bikes from Kent. I'll put the link in the description. Great shop, go hit them up. Got some grips, ODI. Like, it did come with black SC grips, but I don't like them. Don't like them lot. Did have a bar end, but I don't really know what the fuck happened. Yeah. Use about £11 bottom of eBay. Standard decals. Taken off stickers. There was some stickers along there or something. Didn't have a hairdryer. I put my own stickers on, then took them off, and now I left a shitty thing. Brake cable is rubbing, but that's calm. So yeah, plan to get some discs on this. Disc on the back wheel, get fast ripper back wheel. Get an attachment from there to there, so I can put a disc on it. Standard SC pegs. SC's come with pegs. I bought this bike for like $5.50, something like that. It's a good bike though overall. Very good bikes. Pedals got them from Pedalar BMX. Hit them up. Put a link in the description. It's just a standard reflective tape. The bike sounds very nice as well. Just listen. Very nice. I mean, my chain is reflective, but I got some stickers for them. They are sort of coming off there. That's alright, and I need to tighten up my chain as well. Bit loose. Yeah. Got SC seat. I think it's a 2017 one. Bought it off my man. J, whatever the fuck. Got bottle opener on the bottom. Didn't come on the back plate though. Bit sad about that. But I'll probably take that off the Mafia seat and spray it or something. But yeah, guys. Yeah, I'll just show you what it sounds like. So that was my bike check of my SC Big Fly 2019 edition. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, whatever the fuck, I'll see you in another video.